While the contest is scheduled for football, making his way to the ring, Tampa, Florida, it's Sexy Girl Collective. Love and some respect for vacation. Free in life, what I miss. Put me on some reality. If we lay down love and respect. Every nation and this musical vibration. All that we need. Little love and some respect. Try to happy. Realize what I miss. Put me on some reality. If we lay down love and respect. When the going is hard and the road get rough, hear me know you want to get a little tough. Don't be minding what the people say. Hear me. Can you believe that impact? And Alpha gets the counter. She's looking to get out of here. Oh my, an explosive suplex. An Angel counter. Big elbow. That suplex was picture perfect. Great athletic ability on display there. What a fierce kick. How quickly was Angel able to counter that? Ow, that was a serious shot there. What a kick that was. Oh, these brawls always make me nervous. There's so many awful things that can happen. Oh, come on now. That was just uncalled for. The kick connects. Avoids the impact there. Got out of the way of that one. Oh, the elbow connects. A ferocious clothesline. Just devastating. Just a dominating display. Yeah, I think we could see a lot of punishment inflicted. Hey, and she wills her way out. And there's the release. What's going to happen now? I'm scared to ask. Whoa! And she fights her way out. Alpha into the headlock. And there's the elbow. This could be big. Just a fantastic suplex. Incredible agility on display with that move. And the knuckles connect. This thing's just chaotic. What diabolical things are going through that mind right now? When you get in control like this, wait a minute, and she escapes the hold. And there's a hard right hand. Uh-oh, big move coming. Whoa! And now looking to put her away. Angel wins. We got a couple of highlights here. Let's check them out. Here's your winner. Look at the carnage. Wow. When you win by knocking your opponent out, you win big.